This unique ranch home is located in a setting that is second to none. With 2 ponds and 16 acres, more or less, and a working business, dog boarding kennels, with a history of solid income production. The kitchen has stainless and black appliances, a wealth of cabinet and countertop space and high-quality flooring that is still under warranty. The main floor living area is brightly colored and very large, measuring 14 by 20 with a really cool window to allow plenty of natural light in. Also access to the covered front porch and screened-in and covered back deck. The downstairs family room has a wood-burning stove, a wet bar, home office area, another full bathroom and plenty of space for entertaining. The acreage surrounding this home has been cared for meticulously. With 2 lakes, woods, fencing and cross-fencing. All right off of a paved road, what more could you ask for? Another view of the backyard, 1 lake and the rear view of the home. Such a tranquil setting.